chip cookies. So let me just show you all of the things that we need. So we need a baking tray with parchment paper on top of it. We need 2 cups of chocolate chips, half a cup of rolled oats, 2 sticks of butter, 3/4 cups and 1 tablespoon of white granulated sugar, 2 1/4 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of light brown sugar, 1 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 eggs. So the first thing that we're gonna do is cream our butter and sugar together. So we're gonna take our white sugar, our brown sugar, as well as our butter, and we're gonna cream this together. So at this point, it's a good idea to preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit while your butter and sugar are creaming together. After that, we need to combine all of our dry ingredients. So in the bowl that you have your flour, add your half a cup of rolled oats. Then we'll add our cinnamon, baking soda, and salt. So right after that, we need to take our butter and sugar out, and it should look like this, a nice light fluffy mixture. Into that, we're immediately gonna add our vanilla and our lemon juice, and we're gonna crack 2 eggs in there. Then just put it right back on the mixer to fully combine. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix our dry ingredients in and then our chocolate chips and lay everything out on the tray to put it in to bake. So once it's fully incorporated, scrape down your bowl so that you have everything. And then after that, mix in about half of your dry ingredients. So make sure to give your dry ingredients a good mix so that they don't clot up in the mixture. And put in about half of this into your cookie dough. After mixing in the first half of your dry ingredients, be sure to put in the last half. You might want to mix these on the slowest setting so that your flour doesn't go everywhere. And after everything is fully mixed, what we're going to do is we're going to combine our chocolate chips. Okay, so this is what the cookies will look like when they're on the tray. Make sure to keep them a little bit spread out. And this recipe will make about 24 cookies. So put these in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 21 minutes. Hi, so here are the cookies fresh out of the oven after 21 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. They're still a little bit crisp. They're a little bit crisp around the edge, but they're soft in the middle. Let them cool fully. And then take them off and you can have them with a nice glass of milk.